End of the day chart analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So this is the 2nd September Bank Nifty chart. Before market opens, mark important levels on your chart. So go to 30 minutes time frame and mark supply and demand zone levels on your chart. Supply zone in red color and demand zone in green color. And after mark supply and demand zone levels, go to 5 minutes time frame and mark previous day high and previous day low. Previous demand zone and previous day low levels are same. And check out another important levels. Now this is the CPR from 1st September. Now mark that level as virgin CPR. And go to daily time frame for mark another support and resistance levels. And after mark go to 5 minutes time frame, check out all levels and save the chart. And now go to Nifty chart. Select 30 minutes time frame and mark supply and demand zone levels. Nifty is on all-time high, so mark previous day high as supply zone resistance and mark previous demand zone. And check out another important levels and mark 31st August CPR as virgin CPR. And check out all levels and save the chart. Okay, so this is the 3rd September price action chart of Nifty. First you see previous day closing is this and current day opening is this. It means breakout from previous day high. And first bullish candle break the R1 pure. But don't go long there. Why? Because CPR is very wide. And wide CPR means likely to sideways day. And another confirmation is previous day is a trending day. And after trending day, next day is likely to sideways day. So don't go long there. Now look for retracement and mark that level because जिन्होंने फर्स्ट बुलिश कैंडल पर लॉन्ग एंट्री लिया है उन्होंने अपना स्टॉप लॉस एंट्री कैंडल के नीचे रखा होगा और वो आसानी से अपना स्टॉप लॉस हिट नहीं होने देंगे. सो आफ्टर रिट्रेसमेंट entry on bullish kind of Maribozu candle and kept your stop loss below the entry candle and book your profit on back to first candle's high. And the next trade is after back to back 3 doji candles, entry on bearish pin bar candle, kept your stop loss above R1 pivot and book your profit on first candle's low or previous day high. And the next trade is breakout from first candle's low and previous day high. But risk reward is not good because immediately there is a CPR. So don't take that trade. And this is the breakout from R1 pivot. But don't go long there because this candle did not break the first candle's high. And this is the retest entry. And go to Bank Nifty chart. Now see first bullish candle break the previous day high, R1 resistance and supply zone. But risk reward is not good because immediately there is a R2 pivot and the next trade is breakout from R1 pivot. But immediately there is a previous day high spot. So don't take that trade because risk reward is not good. And the next trade is breakout from CPR. But immediately there is a S1 and weekly pivot spot. So don't take that trade because risk reward is not good. And guys, if you are learn more about trading skills, so you can join my WhatsApp initiative. In this I show you end of the day chart analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So if you are interested, so you can join my initiative. And thanks for watching guys. Best of luck for your trading.